Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Acura TL oil life. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. This simple procedure is essential for keeping your maintenance schedule accurate after an oil change. It helps your car track when its next service is due, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, turn your Acura TL's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the Select/Reset button, typically found on your dashboard or steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly until the oil life percentage is displayed on your multi-information display. This is the screen where you'll see the current oil life remaining. Once the oil life percentage is displayed, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life display will start to blink, indicating it's ready for reset. After it blinks, release the button, then press and hold it again for about 5 more seconds. This second hold confirms your intention to reset the system. After completing the previous steps, the oil life indicator on your Acura TL should now display 100%. This confirms that the oil life has been successfully reset. It's a good practice to always perform this reset immediately after every oil change to ensure your vehicle's maintenance system provides accurate reminders for future service needs. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.